My name is Ahmad Fahmi bin Muhammad Aslim.
My name is Muhammad Amir Berismani.
And my name is Muhammad Sharina. Okay, for the problem statement, the first problem statement is the safety risk. The use of steel wire and manual method expose workers to the risk of minor injuries such as cuts, accidents during the binding process. And also the other problem statement is the material wastage. When we are using over tightening or under tightening cable tied in manual process often lead to the waste material, increasing the cost and reducing the efficiency of the project. The last problem statement is the lack of precision. When we are using manual binding, is more prone to human error, causing imprecise tensioning and cutting of the cable ties.
Next, we proceed to the product. For the ultimate cable gun is durability for from yet able to perform reliably for the for reinforcement and for the ceramic design.
Okay, this is a design for prototype and design layout for our design. Okay, now we will show the demonstration how to use the new product development ultimate tie gun.